Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes, fix Windows login error incorrect pin enter A1B2C3 to try again Windows 11, 10. Turn on screen keyboard. Type A1B2C3. Enter correct pin. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.